The Tide laundry detergent is on sale for $4.99 for the pods and the liquid. We have a $2 off digital coupon for the liquid, and we have a $2 off digital coupon for the pods. Now there might be a coupon that you guys can use in the ad, but this is all that we have because most areas don't get the inserts. So you guys want to buy 3 of them. You can mix and match, but you do need to buy at least one of those, and then you can buy a third one of the other one. But you guys would pay $10.97. Then you guys will get a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of them, making them just $5.97 or $2.97 a piece. Plus you guys can submit your receipt to the P&G and get some points for that. The General Mills cereal is currently on sale for $1.99. Now we do have a $1 off 2 coupon that you guys can use. You would end up paying $2.98. Plus you guys can submit your receipts to the box tops. I also have a 4 off of 2 depending on if you guys need more cereal. The Palmolive dish soap is currently on sale for $1.99. We do have a 50-cent off coupon, digital coupon, plus there's some coupons in the ad, making them just $1.49. The big pens are on sale for currently 2 for $3. We do have a $1 off digital coupon. It's $1 off of 1, so you guys would end up getting 2 of them for $2 or just $1 a piece. The Purcell laundry detergent is currently on sale for $4.99. We do have a $2 off digital coupon. You guys would just get these for $2.99. The Arm & Hammer is 3 for $6.99. Also included is the Arm & Hammer Sensations and the Suavitel. They are again 3 for $6.99. They come out to be just $2.33 a piece. Dawn dish soap is currently on sale for 99 cents, along with the Ajax is on sale, but get this, it's only $1 regular price. It's on sale for 99 cents. So if you guys need to get those items. If you guys do need school supplies, they do have it for, they have colored pencils, a 12-pack for 99 cents, 24-pack for $3.99. They got some markers for $3.99, crayons for $1.49 or $1.99. They also have markers, they have some glue and all that stuff, but in case you guys need some school supplies. Dixie plates are a regular price for $3.99. They are currently buy one, get one free. I did have a $1 off a 2 coupon, but when I did scan my items, it's not popping up, so it may or may not come off. I don't need them, so I'm not going to chance it, but in case you guys need it, most of the Dixie plates are buy one, get one free. The Mitchum Deodorant is currently on sale for $2.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them. We do have a $1 off digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $4.98, but then you get 3,000 points when you buy 2. So it comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. Guys have a hankering for some gum. All the extra gum is 3 for $3. Big Red is 3 for $3, and then they have the Trident that's 2 for $2. Orbits are all 3 for $3.